What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got a nice little feature on a beautiful VFSS today. It's actually in a factory Regal Peacock. It's like a, look, it's green, but it's kind of like a aqua-y, greeny blue. In the shade, it looks black. It's sick. Look, let's just jump straight in and check this thing out. Now, guys, if these are the videos that you like to see, don't forget to click a like and subscribe. We've got heaps more coming. We've got features, we've got installs, we've got Jap cars, we've got V8s, we've got everything you want to see. We got motorbikes coming. We got a whole bunch of cool stuff coming onto the channel. So yeah, guys, if you like it, you know what to do. Apart from that, let's jump into this video and check this car out. Alright guys, so a little bit of a different style for you today. Bit more cinematics, bit less of me talking. I don't know if you like that style, if you don't like that style, but if you do like that style, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you don't like that style, give me a comment. Let me know what kind of style you like. If you like my kind of normal style of videos, all that kind of stuff. I'm just trying to try new things, see what you guys like. Alright guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.